The people of the Netherlands.
The people of France.
The people of Germany.
Want to thank the British people.
Because you privatized railways.
Our publicly owned rail networks can buy up your rail network.
So when you buy a ticket on Thameslink, Gatwick Express,
Grand Central, Chiltern Railways,
On Merseyrail, ScotRail, Greater Anglia,
London Midlands, DLR,
Northern Rail, London Overground, and Cross Country.
Southern and Southeastern.
The profits go to making our railways cheaper.
In 2012, we got £3 million just from Greater Anglia.
Not only that, the British taxpayers pay our franchises massive subsidies.
Without which you can never make a profit.
So even if you never catch a train, you're still sending us money.
But before you say, we've left the EU,
That doesn't make a difference.
In fact, the Tory government want to privatise even more.
which means we can take over even more.
But to the British people, we want to say,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Schnitt, Schnitt, go, go! Thank you.
Go! Tournament. It's difficult to think of anything quite as humbling as this defeat.